stacks of invoices, emails with attachments, and someone retyping it all by hand. For most finance teams, this is still the daily reality. And when purchasing runs separately from finance, the problems multiply. Procurement sends requests and approvals through emails and spreadsheets, while finance re-enters the same data into accounting. The result is duplicate work, reporting delays, and budgets that never line up. In this video, we'll show you how Precoro, working together with QuickBooks Online, brings procurement and finance into one streamlined process, so purchase orders, approvals, and invoices flow directly into your accounting without extra work. To keep financial data correct, purchasing needs to follow clear procedures, and approvals must be accurate and on time. Precoro helps teams manage that process simply, so every stakeholder can do their part without extra effort. In Precoro, users submit purchase requests in just a few minutes. They can fill out guided forms or order directly from punch-out catalogs with approved suppliers. Purchasing managers can easily convert multiple requests into purchase orders with just a few clicks. From there, orders move through a structured approval workflow that reflects the company's rules and hierarchy. Approvers can review and approve requests from wherever they are, on desktop, by email, in Slack, or directly from a mobile device. Once approvals are complete, purchase orders sync automatically with QuickBooks Online, keeping procurement and finance fully aligned. Invoices follow the same streamlined path. Instead of retyping data from emails or paper documents, invoices can be received directly in Precoro from suppliers or uploaded by users as attachments in the AP inbox. Precoro then captures the details in seconds, matches the invoice to the correct purchase order, and syncs it automatically with QuickBooks once approved. Users can easily access approved invoices by following the Precoro link to the corresponding document in QuickBooks Online. Once an invoice is paid in QuickBooks Online, the payment details automatically sync back to Precoro, ensuring records stay up to date in both systems. Beyond payments, the integration also brings in key lists from QuickBooks, including suppliers, charts of accounts, departments, classes, customers, projects, items, taxes, and more. With everything connected, visibility improves instantly. You can see how spending aligns with budgets, track committed costs before they hit cash flow, and generate clear reports without delay. Every transaction is transparent, from the request to the final payment. And getting started is simple. Connect your QuickBooks account, configure the data you want to sync, and you're ready to go. The setup takes just 5 minutes, with no third-party assistance or training required. Experience the efficiency of centralized purchasing and finance with Precoro and QuickBooks Online integration. Book a personalized demo at Precoro.com and see how the two systems work together to give you full visibility and control over the entire procure-to-pay process.